Now, one little quirk with Beanstack is when you register, you choose your age and it will automatically calculate your year of birth, but it won't know when you change age, so at what point in the year your birthday is. So it's really important just to check the age that's on your account. To do that, you go into the app and go into Readers and then choose your reader. And down here 13, but she's actually already had her birthday, so I'm going to change that to 14. Save. And that just means that the correct challenges will be showing, especially for those kids that were 10 and are now 11. It's a completely different challenge for you with the prizes. So it's really important that you just go in and check those ages after those birthdays. If you don't have access to the app, please email us and we can change the age of your child for you. Even if you've started your challenge and you've already earned some rewards, still email us and we can transfer them to the correct challenge for that age, because we want you to have the correct prize draws and rewards. The email address is kiakahatepanui, all one word, at tauranga.govt.nz.